So Groove Armada and Reboot nearly made it. Every week there can only be one choice, and this week we've gone for this. Just had to. It gives me goosebumps. It's quality from start to finish. It's a return to the kind of finest virtues of house music. This is brilliant. Dennis Ferrer, brand new on Objectivity. It's called Hey. Enjoy.
Just an ordinary day till you came around. I had my feet on the ground. So much for that. Just an ordinary day till you came around, and now my life's upside down. Imagine that. And it's all because I heard you say. And it's all because I heard you say. And it's all because I walked your way. And I heard you say, I heard you say, and I heard you say, I heard you say, and I heard you say, I heard you say, I heard you say, I heard you say, and I heard you say, I heard you say, and I heard you say, and I heard you say, I heard you say, I heard you say, I heard you say, oh I heard you say, and I heard you say.
People kind of ask me what was the inspiration behind the record, and I kind of tell them it's basically about somebody, girl walking down the street, and and a guy grabs her attention, and just says, hey.
You got to sit tight, close your eyes, and let your head roll down. Get your feet up off the ground, and let your head roll down. Get your feet up.